How to backup data from Google News. If you are wondering how you can backup data from Google News, for example, whenever you use WhatsApp or Gmail, those data needs to be stored to your Google Drive, right? But Google News is just a channel where it is showing you the content from other sources, from CNN, from BBC, and all of the other channels out there. They are just showing you the content. So when we talk about Google News and backing up data, the term backing up your data is not applicable in the case of Google News because it has no such function like backing or restoring it. As long as you have the same Google account, all of your preferences will remain the same, and you can see you can also customize those preferences, and these are not something that is to be backed up because these are not something that we put there ourselves that needs to be backed up. It is basically a mixture of all of the channels available out there. So I hope this video helped you clear your confusion, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.